ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me on yet another video. I am coming to you, as you can see, from my client's closet. We have not done anything. I have not touched anything on this closet. We are just about to start. This is the first section. As you can see, we have the middle section here, which is nicely partitioned. There are a few makeups here and some oil. We'll look at them, what is here, and some drawers. We have the third section, which is the last section, and we have some shoes here and some handbags. So basically we are going to look at everything: the clothes, the shoes, the accessories, if there are any, the handbags, and organize this closet, get rid of stuff that need to be out of this closet, because the idea is that she wants to change her closet. She wants a new style, a new look, and she's in transition. So everything that is here might not be here when you are done, but we'll see when we get started and we get to decluttering. So join me as we start off, and hopefully you will stay along and see the end of all this. So yeah, we can get started. So the first section of the closet is cleared. We have everything here. We have started, so just gonna look at them and go through them. Then we'll see what to return and what not to return. We are done here, and this are what is remaining here. This is what we've returned, 5 pieces. So we're gonna go to this part, then we look at what is here, organize, declutter, if there's any need to, then we'll go down as we go along. We are done with first section. Second section, we've looked at everything, decluttered, and it's looking really nice, organized, and just a few things remaining, which is really good. So we are coming to the last section, then we'll do the shoes, then we'll finish up everything, and we'll be done here. So the last section, let me just remove everything and put them here on the bed. we have like few pieces left, and we have removed maybe a half or 3/4 from what was here. And I love how everything is looking now, very neat, and only what she'll wear. So yeah, we are going to just finish up down here, then we'll be done here. We are done. Finally, we have decluttered this whole space. It started from the top, organized, edited, and it's looking good. We cleaned the whole place, so that's the top part. Then we came here, the first section. This is sweaters, and we just have a few left for now until we replace them. Then down here are shoes. We've also looked at the shoes. We've removed a couple, and what is remaining here is what is supposed to remain here. So this will be of service until they're replaced. Then we came into the second section. This was very full, but now we have just very few pieces, like it's barely full. Then same to this section. So here mostly we have tops and official trousers. Here we have like gym, hiking wear and costumes. Then down here and basically where was where we had the makeup, the lotions, and just a few books, and we have decluttered it properly. The same to the drawers. And down here we have a couple of shoes and some Crocs. On the last section we have dresses. So these are these are the dresses we have remaining, and these are also because she can't walk naked, so we are keeping them until we replace them. So this will be a good service until then. Then down below we have like the normal daily homeware that she wears at home and when she is around the house. So basically this is everything we've done, and I think it's looking nice. It's really well organized, and she's able to see what she's looking for, and this would serve her for a couple of weeks because we are in the process of just replacing them slowly until that point where she'll be confident enough to just do everything by herself. But this is everything we have, and you want to show them the pile we've decluttered. And this is the whole pile we have decluttered. All this was here, so this is going to be either given to people who would appreciate them. Some of them are still nice, some are new, she bought and never worn, but they don't fit what we are looking to create and what we are hoping to achieve with her style and her closet. So we are getting rid of them. She will give them out, donate to children's home, or she'll figure out what to do with them, but we are sure that they will get to the people who will appreciate them. So we are we are done. Thank you so much for watching and for following through. Like, comment, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and share this video. Also, if you want to declutter your closet, to organize your closet, to just start afresh, reinvent yourself, your style, or you're going through a transition and you need help to just walk with you through that process, we do that. So you can also reach out to us via our social media, via our email, and we'll be more than happy to just journey with you and walk with you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you